Hey there muscle car fans, thanks again for tuning in to Pedal to the Metal muscle car performance videos. With today this stunning Pro Touring 1967 Chevy Chevelle SS. An amazing car in itself, but it's been upgraded with many special components to make it handle and steer like the best. One of its main features is probably this gorgeous 468 cubic inch Chevy big block with lots of power with its 4-barrel intake and carburetor. If you open up the hood, you're looking at a super clean engine bay that's also been painted, and the engine is just looking stunning inside this great car. This car has been equipped with so many parts, it's just too much to list here, but a few of its details are of course its special performance suspension system and its custom 4-wheel disc brakes. The stance of this car is also pretty stunning, and it looks really mean and aggressive. Some of its other special options are of course the lowered custom suspension, but it's also got air conditioning, and it's got an overdrive TH700 R4 transmission, which just makes it really comfortable to drive on the highways, because the RPM will stay normal, and you can take it for very, very long and comfortable drives. It's got also a billet tilt steering column inside, it's got a stereo system, and everything that you see here is highly detailed and correct. More than $125,000 was spent on this restoration alone, and that's without the car in itself. So for this asking price, you will probably not be able to find a better, more hot-looking car in the form of this 1967 Chevelle SS. If you want more information, please go to our website at www.pttmgarage.com, where you will find everything you want to know and also the price of this car. Thank you for watching.